Hi everyone. I just wanted to let you know that even though I'm not going to be here today, I wanted to make sure that you knew what was going on in the classes and the expectations for you guys. So, basically speaking, as you can see, we're already here in our stream. I just want to scroll down for you. You can see I've already loaded our assignments, and I'm going to read to you the objective agenda and expectations while I'm out. So, today you're going to be reviewing the persuasive techniques in the persuasive selection Obama speech as well as practice using the circle strategy. We have already began the selection, guys, but since I am out, Ms. Montes' classes are getting started with that packet. So you're going to go ahead and pay attention, participate, because that is an expectation I have for you in my class. Um, and make sure that you're using the circle strategy to the fullest of your abilities. You're also going to be submitting your assignments for the circle strategy and the exit ticket that is assigned for October 5th. One thing you want to make sure that you do is submit your attendance through the Google form that I have linked here for you. You can see it says you will be logging into the following link for your Google code. Um, I'm sorry, this is here for the Google form. I'm reading the wrong one, right? You're going to be using this here. If you do not sign in with it, guys, it's basically going to tell me you're absent for the day, and I will mark you absent. You have to sign in at the beginning of class period. You stay with Miss Montes till the end of the period, and then you move on to your next classes. So that is an expectation. Again, you are going to do your work with Ms. Montes and you're going to participate in her class. In order to sign into her Google Classroom, I have already provided for you her Google Meet link. You're going to click on it there. You don't have to click the one on top on the stream or in our classwork because it's not going to get you anywhere. I will not be there. Or you can use the login code that is there. I highly suggest just clicking the link here because it'll directly take you to it. Ms. Montes is already aware that she'll be covering the class, and she has the expectation, just like I do, you will participate, you will behave, and you will not do anything that is against our student code of conduct. So make sure that you're following that. That's all, like I said. Make sure that you're completing the work. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, send them to me through Remind, and if I can, I will go ahead and contact you or give you a message reply. You can see I've already loaded our assignments for week 7. Again, you're working on the Obama speech, so just continue doing what we were doing last week. You're going to do the circle strategy and then our exit ticket. It should be something fairly simple. On Tuesday, I will get on the ball with you, getting you prepared for your CBA that we'll be taking this week. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any questions, like I said, feel free to message me on Remind and I will get back to you. If I have time tomorrow to respond to, or at least if I can message you guys your login information for DMAC, I definitely will go ahead and do that. But again, any questions, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much. I'll see you then.